I am formless matter, a liquid miracle, flowing like a river of light. The hidden energy of fire, alive in flame. I wait for the Master's touch to awaken me. Your touch, sharp and precise, stirs me to life. In each incision, something remarkable is born, the quiet magic of uniqueness. My soul emerges from the harmony of optics and art. Each cut becomes a trace of your imagination made real. I am more than matter. I am gesture, the imprint of a designer's vision. I am a prism for light, for feeling. I am energy. When you hold me, you hold pride shaped by tradition. A legacy that begins with a single cut